This story was written by Miss Bott's class, and it's called The Dragon Who Eats Cheetoh Cats.
Hey, I'm Alex. I'm a dragon. Rawr. This is planet Cheeto Land. I live here. These are Cheetoh Cats. They're the only other life on this planet that isn't Cheetos or dragons. I devour them. I eat them because they're the only thing on this planet that doesn't give me diarrhea. I fish for them down at the Purple Ocean. No catch today. It's a good thing I've stored all that food for the winter back at home.
Hey, what the?
Oh, hey Alex. Fatso Bonso? What are you doing? I know you usually have some extra Cheetoh Cats lying around and I was hungry and... You ate all of my Cheetoh Cats? It took all year to gather these Cheetoh Cats! I'm sorry. I feel terribly hungry. I want a friend to replace Fatso Bonso. Will you be my friend?
No.
Oh, goodness.
No.
Why not?
You're a big scary dragon. You breathe fire and you squash Cheetoh Cats with your big
Roast them.
scary feet.
Why wouldn't he offer something fun over eating us?
Well, I guess nobody wants to be friends with me. Guess it's time for me to move. Alright, here we go. Got a belly flop. And here we go. Flying through space. What's that over there? Dragon World. Well, that sounds appropriate.
And ever since that day, Alex had fun with his new dragon friends, Ronaldo, Peter, Antonio, and Lily. Together, they started the planet's very first Cheetoh Cat Taco Parade.
This is fun.
The end.